We regularly do things like trainings where we teach people how to do stuff, how to grow your business, how to get customers, how to price yourself effectively. So most people fail at making money online and starting a business because when they run into these challenges and obstacles, they don't have the support that they need to go through those challenges and obstacles. Now, whether you are just getting started or you are trying to scale a business and take it to the next level, you need to know where to get answers, right? My name is Nick Ponte, and I own a company here on the island of Maui, and we get paid to solve problems for business owners online. I was a former automotive technician. I didn't have any experience when I was getting started with this, so I had to navigate the rocky waters myself. When I had questions on how could I fix this website, or how could I get on this social media account and post some content to it, or how do I make money online, I would go old school into these IRC chat rooms, and I think that probably 99% of the world's internet trolls live in IRC chat rooms. So it was safe to say that I didn't get a lot of feedback, comments, and interaction with these people. So I did get a little bit of help, but not that much help. And the reason I bring that up is because it wasn't until we decided to create our own community of people that all share a common thread of helping local businesses, doing things like digital marketing. When we started that community, we saw that there were a ton of other people out there looking for that same information. So today, we've rapidly grown to over 7,000 members in that community, and it's growing pretty quick because, again, we share that common thread. We have people that are in there taking action, asking questions, and even posting about the things that they are struggling and failing with, because honestly, those are some of the areas where I've grown the most. When I have a question or when I'm failing miserably at something, I go to that group and I post a question or I talk about it, and other people talk about it. And if somebody can point out all of the things that they've failed at miserably before and tell you not to do those things yourself, that's gonna save you hours, days, weeks, months, maybe even years from going down the wrong rabbit hole. So of course you can start your own group. They're easy to start. They take a long time to get active members in it. You can always join my group. I'll put a link to that group on this video now. And I think what I want to do now is just go into my group a little bit. I'm going to jump into my computer over here and just show you what I have going on, because I want to show you how you can get answers to questions that you might have if you do need help, because I think everybody should have that base level help. So let's jump into it now.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we are at my Facebook group. We are called the Offline Sharks, and you can see at the top of the page here, we've got around 7,900 members right now. And when you come to this group, you'll quickly see that we have a lot of people that are engaging with our content in our community. You can see this post from Andy Stevens just a few hours ago. It says, Mike F. and the Sharks, without a doubt, packed a higher concentration of value into one short point webinar, I dare say, than any other since the inception of internet marketing. Appreciate the shout out, Andy. That was a comment that he made based off of a webinar training that we had the other day. So we regularly do things like trainings where we teach people how to do stuff, how to grow your business, how to get customers, how to price yourself effectively, things like that. And that's what makes a community so important, is if you have regular Q&A sessions, right? For us, we have a weekly marketing jam session, which you can see here at the top of the page. We spend about an hour just going through shout outs to members in our community. We do giveaways, we have bonuses, we have prizes. We very often give away just free gift cards to Amazon, things like that, because we want people to have fun in our community, right? We didn't quit our jobs and start an online business to not have a good time and love the business that we are creating. So we do regular marketing jam sessions once a week, giveaways, shout outs, strategies, a place and a time for people to come in, interact, and engage with us even more. And I think that's what you should look for when you are looking to join and become a member of a community. Furthermore, there are posts and popular topics in this group that you can see here at the top of the page, right? We have a community manager that we've brought in on our team that is in this community regularly categorizing the posts. So if you want something related to SEO, you just click on the topic there. If you want something related to our marketing jam session, there's a tab for that. or even website design. There's a tab for that, or just resources that are shared amongst our members. You can click that section as well, and it will parse that information for you, and you can have quick access to that. So if you're someone new who is just joining our community now, you can come into this Facebook page and you can click on the popular topics section at the top there, and you can find access to the information that you're looking for right now. Now, you can also, if you have a specific thing that you want to research, you can use the search tab in this group, which is such a valuable tool. I think a lot of people overlook this tool because they don't really know that it's there, and they might think it's for something else. But if you look on this field here on the left-hand side of your page, you can see search this group. I mean, if I wanted to search for anything related to SEO, I could just type in SEO and hit search, and a lot of information would come back from the group, all for SEO. I mean, look at this. Here's a post that I made not too long ago, top local SEO blogs of 2019. Look at this one, 17-point SEO checklist for 2020. So if you don't know what SEO is, I mean, it's a term, it's called search engine optimization. It's the process of getting websites higher up in Google, because anybody that's at the top of Google gets more customers and clicks to their websites. So for business owners, this is very valuable. If you are a roofer and you are not at the top of Google for a term like roofing on Maui, well, it's pretty safe to say you're not getting a lot of market share there. So we get paid to bring people to the top of Google, and we talk about how we do that here in this group, amongst other things. But that is just one of the topics and resources that I wanted to share and point out with you here, and also make it clear as to how you can get access to any topic that you want related to local marketing in this group. So you can quickly see that, you know, this group has a lot of members in it that, like I said, are taking action. They're in the trenches of local marketing. And if you are looking to get started, you can, of course, like I said, create your own group. You can join my group. I have a link to our group on this page. It's free. And if you do decide to join, I hope that you will come in and give us a shout out. Just let us know who you are, an introduction of where you're from, where you're at with your business, even if you're a newbie or you're just getting started. We like to welcome everybody to our group. We have a tremendous community. And of course, if you guys like what we're doing here, please like my video, subscribe to my channel. It helps me to put the word out there for other entrepreneurs that are looking to build and grow a business. And click that little bell notification below the video so you can get notified whenever I put out more great content, because that's what I'm going to continue to do. I'm going to share my journey in digital marketing and building a business online, and give you all the shortcuts I possibly can in that process. So take care, and I'll see you in the next video.